test newly repaired exhaust fan. It's okay. Welcome. Today we're going to check and try to repair this exhaust fan. Let's power on. It's not responding. Turn off. Unplug. And we're going to check. Someone check the capacitor. Okay, the capacitor reads 0.9. Still good. And let's check for the motor continuity. Open circuit. Open circuit. Let's remove the motor from the case and let's try to open up this one. Just take a little bit caution here because the windings is like your hair, as thin as your hair. Now make a marking here, guys, before you open up the motor. And here is it now. Okay, I'm using nail cutter here and I'm going to pull the red, and it's adjacent wire, and we try to pull out the fuse here and test. And I'm just plugging in my test probe here, and it reads nothing. It's an open circuit, therefore the issue is only the fuse and not the motor itself. So here is it, guys. Just replace it with 250 volts 2 ampere thermal fuse, and install back the spaghetti tubing and tie this up using cable ties. And don't forget to lubricate the rear and front bushing. Do not overfill. And after this, we're going to wire it back. I have recently uploaded a video on how to wire this one. If you want to learn, go and watch it. And we're going to assemble it and test, proving that it's not a motor issue but it's only a fuse. And here is it, guys. Just plug in and power on, and I have a rag or towel at the back so you can see the airflow, and it's working. If you're new to my channel, please support me, guys, by clicking subscribe button. Thanks for watching. Please follow me in my Facebook. That's it. Comment it down if you have something to ask or recommendation about this post. Thank you and God bless.